Yeah, we're back. This is an EliteBook 8460. It's a system that has a power problem. So each time I plug the charger, it's supposed to indicate power at the lead port, but I notice there's an IC that is getting hot, a capacitor. As you can see very well, that's it. It's a burnt capacitor that needs to be replaced. So we have to get another capacitor to replace it there. You see the area is a little bit burnt, so let's remove the bad capacitors. There are about two there, but one is so obvious. So here we go. Taking this might take a little patience because of you need to apply enough heat on them. So we've actually taken one out. Let's replace with a good one. See, so this board has been fixed. We've replaced the bad capacitors. Now let's connect and see if see the LED light has popped up. Our fan is spinning. Then it's okay, but we need to see if it will display on the screen. The processor is processing well. The fan is spinning fine. So let's see if it will display properly on this screen. So here we go, fixing the screen, and make sure the pins are rightly placed, because any bent screen may cause more damage to it. So let's wait and see if they will pop up. And here we go. It should display a HP logo, and that is it. So the system is fine.